Hey guys, welcome back to Morning with Pam. As always, I'm back with another recipe. Yesterday evening, I went to throw my trash and I crossed some fish market and I saw this fish. I seriously don't know the name of this fish. I don't know, in Manipuri we call this ngashang, or it's little bit, I believe it's little bit different from ngashang, but I don't know. But since this fish has a small scale, I can eat. I don't eat fish which doesn't have scales. So once I saw this, the first thing it came in my mind was like, I have to make this recipe and share with you guys. So here are the ingredients. I have some turmeric powder here. This is chili powder. I have coriander powder, and this is cornstarch. I want my fish to be a bit crunchy, and I have some corianders here. This is to sprinkle on top, okay? And this one, I want my fish to be spicy, so I'll crush this, and when I marinate this fish, I'm going to add. So with that said, let's start preparing. I'm gonna crush the king chili first. Add some garlic, a little bit of salt. Now take a clean bowl and add all the fish. Add all the ingredients. Add the king chili and garlic which I've crushed earlier. Cornstarch. Add some extra salt. And let's start mixing. Once you have mixed properly, let's keep it aside for a while, for at least 30 minutes. Ta-da! This is after 30 minutes, okay? Oh, it's nice. So let's start frying. Okay guys, today's recipe is done. See? It looks so beautiful. Okay, let's see how it tastes now. So crunchy, so good. Oh, it's unbelievable. I know you guys do much better than me. You all are good cook. Some of you are much better than me. But still, I want you to try this recipe like the way I make it. You definitely add the king chili and garlic. It gives another flavor. So you'll definitely enjoy this recipe. So thank you so much for watching. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. See you soon. Bye.